Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivanand. I have completed my internship from FDS IMS BHU. I got 113 All India rank in NEET MDS 2023. I would like to thank whole DentAcme family, especially Dr. Aman Sharma sir and Sandeep sir. Dr. Aman Sharma sir who guided me in my whole preparation in my tough time. Best part of DentAcme family is online lectures, daily lectures and alternate sessions. And the dental triplet book is very good book, very good explanation in authentic manners. Thanks to God and my parents and my friends who helped me in my journey, and again thanks to Dr. Aman Sharma sir and DentAcme family who helped me a lot in my preparation.